YouTube in the building. I hope you guys are doing well. And if you were looking up what are the best YouTube automation niches, which we'll be going over in just a few seconds, I just want to let you know, congratulations, you're in the right place. Watch to the end of the video so I can share with you the best secret on how these niches can make you money. This is also part 2 in the YouTube automated playlist. So if you missed out on video 1, I recommend watching that video first and then coming onto this video. What's up, y'all? My name is Ricardo Rodriguez and welcome to Tube Great. Subscribe to Tube Great if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. Check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below if you want to learn how to make money with YouTube without even showing your face. So quick run through on what YouTube automation is basically you're having your videos made on autopilot and you don't even have to show your face within your videos. Some great niches that are going to be evergreen, which means they will always be relevant, is wealth, health, and relationships. Within wealth, you can even get even more specific, and the more specific you get, you start to target a specific audience, and that is highly recommended when creating your channel. Create a channel that is solely based on giving people investing secrets, or even hacks to government funding like mutual funds, Roth IRAs, and talking about stuff like the 401k. Maybe you want to share credit card secrets that's going to help people boost their credit score. These are just examples to throw in the air and start sparking some ideas within you guys. The great thing about the wealth niche is that they have a higher CPM, which all that means is once you get monetized, you will get more money because advertisers give more money. Per 1,000 clicks, you will roughly get around $15, $10 to $15, maybe even $20. It all varies on, the advertisers that put ads on your videos. Create your rags to riches story by exploring the wealth niche on YouTube. You can show the world how to be like Richie Rich, or even be known in the investing world like Warren Buffett. Like this video if you're enjoying the content so far. Niche number 2 would be the health niche. The health niche is great because there's always an audience of people that are looking to improve their health. Not only are they improving their health, but they're looking to stay in shape. You can create an automated channel of simply showing stock footage in your videos of people working out in the gym, or even doctors performing surgery. Some sub-niches would include making content helping others how to lose weight, helping people become better at a specific sport, or even just talk about medicine, how it affects the body and how it helps fight diseases. Showcase your knowledge and be known just like Dr. Oz. The best part is you didn't even have to show your face. So I want to hear from you guys. Comment down below on what niche or sub-niche are you guys looking to base your YouTube channel around. If you made it to this part of the video, I want to show you how YouTube automation channels can help you make money. So the last niche would be relationships. People are always interacting with others. Make a channel simply on how to make your ex jealous and how to get them back. Maybe even how to become a better husband or how to become a better wife. Or maybe even tips on just how to become a better leader and lead others. If you can make at least 30 videos worth of content, start uploading them, start getting those views and meet the requirements to get monetized, you can make money through ad revenue. Once you have applied to the YouTube partnership program and your channel is monetized, you will get paid per 1,000 views. All these niches give you different CPMs. If you're making content on one of these 3 niches that I just went over, you will be on the higher end of your CPM range, which means you just simply collect revenue by people watching your videos and people are watching your ads. Some of these channels range from getting $5,000 a month just based off ad revenue. It can go up to 10 to 20. I've seen channels even surpass that to 30, 40, and 50. So imagine how an extra 5,000, 10,000, or even 20,000, imagine how that could change your life. That's all I have for you guys today. To watch this video for part 3 on more secrets to the YouTube automation channels, subscribe to Tube Great if you enjoyed this content, and check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint in the description below for my #1 recommended way on how to make money with YouTube without even showing your face. Peace out.